Welcome friends, thanks for joining me in today's video. And today we're talking microphones, as I'm sure you could have told by the title of this video. I got a new mic, so I'm no longer using this. Well, it seems like a good quality, it doesn't work for me. I got a lot of white noise and I didn't like the sound coming out of it. I thought I could do better. It costs more, but I could do better. So, very excited with the microphone that I ended up getting, the DEITY V-Mic D3 Pro. It was the best one in the price range that I was looking at for my needs, for what I thought would be useful features that it had. There were two main reasons why I wanted a new microphone, and they are, one, I was getting a ton of white noise out of this one. Just a bunch of noise in the background. I didn't enjoy that. And the other reason is I just didn't like the sound of my voice coming out of this one. I wanted more bass tones to come out of it, and I didn't feel that this got that much bass tones, and my voice just sounded kind of funny. And I think my voice sounds much more accurate and better coming out of this microphone that I got. I was looking at three microphones, the DEITY V-Mic D3 Pro, which I obviously got, and I was looking at another one that was a Sennheiser. I don't remember the model name of that one, and the other one that I was looking at was called the Shure, which I also don't remember the name of. But those were the three mics I was deciding between. There was a better bass tone coming out of this one, I felt, in the reviews that I saw of all three of them and the comparison videos that I saw. So I liked the tone coming out of it. I also just like some of the features. You can charge this microphone, it doesn't take batteries, which can be good and can be bad, but overall I think it's good. I like it. It also has an auto shut-off feature where if you stop recording, it goes in standby, and then after 15 minutes, the mic shuts off completely. So that was very good, and I'm very happy about that, and one of the reasons that I got this. The other mic that I kind of wish I could have gotten, but decided against for a couple reasons, is the Rode VideoMic Pro Plus. I didn't just get that one for two main reasons. One, it was like $100 more than this one, and I didn't want to spend that, and this one's 90% of the Rode VideoMic Pro Plus. The other reason is, in doing my research, I found out that some microphones just don't mesh well with some cameras, and I saw some people saying that with the Sony a7 III, which is the camera that I have, their Rode mics don't mesh that well and end up having that noise. So I didn't want to risk that and get the Rode VideoMic Pro Plus, so I stuck with this one, and I liked everything else about it. Now, when I do this unboxing, the strange thing is I got the best sound out of this microphone that I've ever gotten, which is ironic, but I'm so glad I got this one. I haven't decided if I'm going to sell this one or keep it or what. I'm not sure if I have a use for two microphones. We'll see. But I think the reason that I got better sound could be twofold. One, I took this dead cat off. And this dead cat is just for wind noise, so that when you're outside and the wind's blowing, you don't get that sound that's super annoying. So I just always left it on, so that, well, whatever. I don't care that it's on there, and it's probably gonna help with pops and stuff like that for my voice anyway, so I just left it on there. But I took it off for some reason for that unboxing, and it was better sound. The other reason I think that is a possibility that it was better sound is there's this little piece at the end here, and it's always been loose, and it like moves back and forth. It rotates. And I always thought that was because when this is plugged in, it could rotate, you could rotate this and it would go with it. So I always thought that was a feature of this microphone. Well, when I used it that last time, I found out that this actual piece comes out. So I'm wondering if there was a loose connection, it was touching other wires or something like that, because this wasn't securely on there. It's always been like this. It came to me with this loose on there. So I always thought that's just the way it was. I never thought to twist it on and see if that was accurate or not. So those two things changed when I did this unboxing, and maybe that was it, maybe it wasn't, maybe I did have a little bit closer, I don't know. In either case, I'm happy with the mic that I did get, and I don't regret it. So there you go. So here's the unboxing of it. I know this mic is old and this is not anything new or a new unboxing or anything like that, but I thought it'd be fun to do this top-down view again and kind of practice with my setup, seeing how the top-down view goes and all that stuff, and just thought it'd be fun to do. So here it is.
All right, here we go. I'm very excited about this because the sound was not as good as I was hoping. Well, a little bit easier. DEITY V-Mic D3 Pro. I love that it comes with a little case. Oh, it's so cool. I don't think I'll actually use it for the mic, but I bet I could find another way to use it. It's a nice hard case though. Ooh, a handle. It's like a lunchbox. Charging cord, USB-C. That's good. I'm very happy when I get USB-C. Mic cord. One of the reasons I got this mic specifically is because it has a detachable mic cord like this. The other one that I was looking at, it was either a Shure or a Sennheiser. Those are the other two mics I was looking at. One of them didn't have detachable cord. I never really wanted that. I felt like you could run into problems if you didn't have a detachable cord. I also really like that it's chargeable. It's not running on battery. So I like that aspect of it. So I like this gain knob. Ooh, that is nice. Someone was saying that was nice. Review I was looking at, and it is. So strange how just a good quality button or dial is so satisfying to twist. One thing I don't like about this one, but it was something obviously I was willing to sacrifice, is it's very long. And so I'm hoping it doesn't get in the way of like wide angle shots. But that's about the only thing as far as looking at reviews that I didn't like about it. Other than that, I like everything. So that's it. Not much in the box. A little tip, silica packets. Keep these in a plastic bag. Don't let moisture get to it. And if you ever get any equipment wet, any electronics whatsoever, throw it in with that bag with these silica packets and it'll help dry it up. Make sure these aren't like really hard or anything. They'll only last a while. Well, that's why you put them in a nice plastic sealed bag. Charge cable, mic cable, mic.
So that's all for me today. Hope you enjoyed the video, hope you enjoyed the unboxing, and I really hope you're enjoying the sound that I'm getting with the new mic.